For the first time ever, IBM's big annual data breach report is tackling the massive technological shift that is AI. And what they found is this hidden, really costly threat that's probably already operating inside your organization. And we're not talking about some future problem. The report shows this is happening right now. So let me just ask you this straight up. Is your team using AI tools that you don't know about? Because according to this report, the answer to that question, well, it's at the very heart of a huge and very expensive new security gap. And it goes way beyond just a few unsanctioned apps. And this threat, it actually has a name: Shadow AI. Yeah, I know, it sounds like something out of a spy movie, right? But the report makes it crystal clear that this is a very real problem, and it's quietly growing inside businesses just about everywhere. So what exactly is Shadow AI? Well, it's pretty simple. It's any AI tool that's being used inside your company without any official sign-off or oversight from IT. Think about employees using some third-party AI writer or a code generator just to get their work done faster. Each one might seem totally harmless on its own, but when you put them all together, they create this massive security blind spot. So just how big is this blind spot we're talking about? Well, the report found that Shadow AI was a factor in 20% of all the data breaches they studied. That's 1 in every 5. This is definitely not some fringe issue anymore. It's a mainstream attack surface, and believe me, it is actively being exploited. Okay, so we know what it is and just how common it is, but what are the real-world consequences? What happens when you just ignore it? Well, ignoring Shadow AI doesn't just create risk. It comes with a seriously steep price tag you can actually put a number on. And you might want to brace yourself for this number. Organizations with high levels of Shadow AI, they paid an extra $670,000 when they got hit with a data breach. Now, that's not the total cost of the breach. Oh, no. That's the penalty, the extra premium they paid for not having that oversight. And it's not just about the money. It's about what's being lost. See, in a typical breach, a little over half the data that gets compromised is sensitive customer info. But when Shadow AI is involved, that number just jumps to 65%. So these unsecured tools are disproportionately leaking our most valuable, most private data. And all of this, it really points to a much deeper issue than just a few rogue employees using the wrong app. It's a systemic failure. The report calls the root cause the AI oversight gap, and it's a massive vulnerability in corporate governance. And here's the statistic that just drives it all home. A staggering 63% of the organizations that got breached have no AI governance policies. I mean, not weak policies, not policies they're working on, no policies at all. We're simply adopting AI way faster than we're learning how to secure it. So what's the antidote here? Well, proactive organizations are already putting up the guardrails. They're doing things like implementing strict approval processes for any new AI, training their employees on the risks, and actively auditing to find these unsanctioned tools. I mean, these aren't revolutionary ideas, but the report shows they are absolutely essential. But you know what? There's some really good news in all of this. The data doesn't just tell us what the problem is, it also points right to the cure. And it turns out one of the most effective solutions is also one of the most straightforward: employee training. You can literally see the financial tug-of-war playing out right here. On one side, you have things like Shadow AI and system complexity that add hundreds of thousands to the cost of a breach. But on the other side, things like having AI governance and especially employee training are actively pulling those costs right back down, saving nearly $200,000. Let's just focus on that number for a second. Almost $200,000. That's the average savings for organizations that simply put comprehensive employee training in place. It's one of the clearest examples you'll ever see of a direct financial return on investment just for empowering your people to use AI safely. So, all of this really leaves us with one essential question. We know your organization is adopting AI. I mean, that's a given at this point. The real question is, are your security and your governance keeping pace? Because as this report makes painfully clear, the cost of falling behind is one you simply can't afford to pay.